number 44, Brett Lionel out of Barnum, Diana Ford Pickle. Car number 55, Dale Portella, driving 70. Car number 02, Danny Cross out of Brand, Car number 65, the one and only Shelby Water Wagon. Car number out of Wright, Minnesota. Car number Linden, Minnesota, driving a Toyota Camry. Car number 88X. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, green. You're on the clock here, still moving. 02, Dan Pratt for 44. Brett Lionel. See if the 2M can get it back up. Dan is fighting tuning problems here in the 02. Get their movement. What are we thinking here? Is that it? Shelby Waters out of right field comes out of nowhere. He's moving. That's it. Hold him up. Let's play. That's it. But your winner of the Weld Compact going to the 0-2, Danny Cross out of Bram. We'll get your final results here from the fair board judges. Also, drivers, you can pick up your t-shirts in the shed here in the pits, inside the pits there. Brett Hine out there handing out t-shirts to all the drivers here tonight. So make sure to stop by the pit stand there and grab your t-shirts. We'll get your final results of the Welded Compact class here. Chain stock cars, you're on deck. Chain stock cars, Heat 4, you're on deck.
Here comes the Boy Scouts again. Don't forget to get your popcorn and your beverages from the Boy Scouts.